So right now we're doing a tankless water heater flush. Show you guys how I set it up. It's a tight spot, but we have our cold, we have our hot. These two are just like laundry supply lines. Hook it up to this little pump. With the descal solution, all it's doing is circulating through the tankless and cleaning up all that scale that's in the heat exchanger. Recommended to do once a year. This is her first time doing it, so we'll see how it comes out. This is what I use. It's been working pretty good.